If you need to study a textbook but don't know where to start, then this video will show you how to take notes from a textbook in 5 simple steps. Step 1 is, before you open your textbooks, find out how the assessment will be, so you can adjust your reading strategy accordingly. This can help you define what specific information you need to select when reading your textbook. For example, multiple choice tests require you to remember lots of facts and details, so for this, focus on bolded terms and definitions that stand out when you're reading. Later, you can turn them into quick questions you can use to quiz yourself. If you will be tested by essays or written questions, you first need to have a good understanding of the main idea. Then summarize it and explain it in your own words. In this case, focus on the most important points, and once you're done reading, you can summarize them. Step 2 is to read the textbook before you start taking notes. Get an overview of the material by reading headlines, the summary, and the chapter questions at the end of the chapter. This will give you an indication to what information you need to pay extra attention to when going through the text. Step 3 is to highlight and underline. When you mark words, it forces you to concentrate, to think, and find the most relevant material in each and every paragraph. You have to ask yourself in every sentence if what you're reading is critical and likely to appear on the exam. Avoid highlighting too much and try to keep it minimal to keywords, facts, and concepts. Step 4 is to write chapter summaries. You can either use sticky notes first to write concise bullet points for each page or paragraph, or you can directly start summarizing in your notebook. Use the textbook layout to organize your notes. Use the same heading and subheading or create your own, and make sure you learn each section. Having headlines on each page and an index at the beginning of your notebook makes it easier to find facts you're looking for, especially when you're quickly skimming through your notes. Step 5 is to add graphics so you don't only have full pages of writing. Find different ways to present the information in a visual way by using mind maps, bullet points, and graphs. Once you're done with your readings, you now have a collection of chapter summaries ready to study from. This is one of many note-taking methods, so try it out and see how it works for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.